We got some brand new loyal coffee here. Ethiopia, Banko, Fuafuate, I don't know, Fuafuate. It says raspberry rose chamomile, natural, heirloom variety. Number 27. Definitely has some good smells to it. This batch was roasted on 4/16/18. Today is currently, I don't know what day it is. Alright, let's check this out. Marvel's Avengers Infinity War comes out Friday. It's Wednesday. It's the 25th, April 25th. So many beautiful colors in those bubbles. It has degassed quite well. Look at that motion. Oh. Always pre-soak your filters, guys. Anyways, Loyal used to carry these clean canteen mugs. Mine somehow got lost or jacked or something. Coworker got me a new one because they're awesome. Let's get it right on the 12. Right on 12. Come on. Come on, 12. Big money, 12. There we go. Boom. Uh-oh. It's over 12. Oh, it's going down. Yeah, I think my unit's a little messed up there. It got a little bit of moisture inside here. But yeah, like I said, Ethiopia is typically my favorite coffee. Can't stop thinking about the messenger coffee that I got in Kansas City. The Yirgacheffe. I should really just order that stuff online. Have them ship it out here. Bye-bye. Alright, that's pretty well drained. If you notice, this is the T60 setup. Ran out of V60 filters. I call this the T60 because I bought it at Target and it's like half as good as a V60. The Target T30. No, it's literally not called that.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, honey.
I got something for you.
Oh, you got that for me? Oh, a yummy cake?
Yes.
Awesome.
Pick it up with your hand.
Oh, just pick it up with my hand?
Eat it.
Nice. Look at that yummy cake my wife got me. That's going to go perfect with this coffee, I'm sure. Nom, 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 nom.
Daddy.
Let's try this.
Daddy.
What, honey?
You're supposed not put it. Don't put it in your coffee.
No, it's not going in my coffee. It just goes well with my coffee, right?
Daddy. You're supposed to hold this plate and then pick it up.
Oh, yeah?
Okay? Yeah. So put it back on there.
Oh, I got to put it back on the plate?
Yeah. And when they're done making a bed, you can have it.
Oh, okay.
But this
Oh, okay. So, this coffee. Of all these descriptions, I think I definitely noticed the rose the most.
Where's Mommy?
She's at work. She had to go. Lunchtime was over. Time to add the secret ingredient here.
Hold you, please.
Some trace mineral drops.
Hold you. I'll hold you.
Let's try this one more time.
Hold you.
Yeah, I think I still am a bigger fan of the Burundi, even though Ethiopia is typically my favorite. But it's not too bad.